Hey guys, check out TRZ Motorsports. They got everything that you need for your suspension. Give them a call or go to their website at trzmotorsports.com. Alright guys, we're going to be doing a video today guys on putting a anti-roll bar on a 84 Monte Carlo on a G-body. And I want to give a shout out to TRZ for the anti-roll bar. And they send you everything you need guys to put it together. We're a little bit ahead of the video, but I did want to do a video on this guys so people will know how to do one if they decide to do it on their own. But what you want to do is they send you everything, the links and all, and then they send you your tabs right here, which you have to weld to your bar. And then you have to take your bar here and cut it to the length of the width of the car. And you get all that set up first. And then you set it up in the frame in there and weld it in. So I'm gonna show y'all what all we're gonna do as far as putting it in there. And I'll show you on the car here. Actually the exhaust was running over the rear end and I had to cut them out and do the exhaust kind of like that, because we really didn't have no room for the anti-roll bar with the gas tank being under here and all that. So we ended up taking the gas tank off because we're going to be doing welding on this thing and stuff. So better safe than sorry. So y'all stay tuned. All right guys, you want to make sure you clean a spot on each side so you can get a good weld. So what we're going to do now is we got it cleaned on both sides of the frame, that side and this side over here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and set it in there guys and start welding it up. Alright guys, what you want to do is you want to take this out so that these brass ends don't get hot when you weld it up. So you take your two bolts out on each side and take this out so that when you weld this bar in guys, it don't mess up your brass bushings. So I'm going to weld this in now on each side, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I got everything welded in. I got that side welded up, the ring and the bar. You weld the ring and then you come back and weld the bar up to the ring. And then I got my tabs welded to the rear end, and then I got the anti-roll bar bolted in. So we're just about done with this thing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bolt our tank on, put the tank and all back on it. So okay guys, we got it finished up. We got everything welded in, got the anti-roll bar bolted up, tabs is welded on the rear end, everything's set, locked down, shocks is back in, gas tank's back on. So and there it is guys, that's how you put in the anti-roll bar. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe guys, and I'll see y'all on the next upload. Make sure y'all check out the merch guys on the merch store.